Hello, guys. I'm going to start a Canva series. I'm going to teach whatever I know, and today we're going to learn thumbnail. It is just going to take some time, but it is going to come out really well. So let's go to the screen and see what kind of thumbnail we can make just with Canva and just playing around with Canva. Okay, I'm just going to do YouTube thumbnail, and I'll get a free design, uh, just a white screen. So I can just go back, just type thumbnail and see what all designs we get. Okay, we can use this design and change some settings and just play around with this also, and if you like it then we can use it, or you can just go and make a fresh new design for yourself. Okay, today I'm going to just make some design which I like, not going to use anything from here. So let's go back and just go to thumbnail, and this is what the actual thumbnail size is going to come out, and it is going to give me a lot of features here, but I'm not going to do anything. So let's make a thumbnail on solving SQL queries. Okay, SQL queries, solving interview SQL queries. So let me import some files. These are some of the pictures that I'm going to use for my thumbnail. And let me get Oracle logo. Okay, and here it is. Let's get this Oracle logo, and what else? Let's take this also. Whatever comes out good, we'll try that.
A few moments later.
But Oracle database, so let's see what is the best I can get. I feel this is good. Yeah, I can use this or this. I don't want this. Okay, I can get rid of this, and this I'll just crop it here also, and this way. Just try to crop it equally. Okay, and then let me choose a picture. Choose one of the picture. This go good. Okay, since I'm going to, this is going to be interview solving questions. Yeah, let's use this. Let's crop this as much as possible, and remove background from here on top. Let's remove the background. Let's see what comes out. This is a pretty good image. I know image is not so great, but let's click on edit, and we have option of image upscaler. So let me upscale this image, and image 2x, let's do it 4x. It will take some time, so since we are scaling it up to 4x, so it is going to take some time. So let's see how much, what we'll get out of it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, the more we try to scale the image, the more time it is going to take. Let's replace this, the image which is upscaled. It is not very hard, guys. Just focus and just be there. It is going to be very simple. So yes, yeah, after scaling it up, it looks good. And since the oracle is in red, let me put a red technical background. Okay, let's see, red technical red technology. Let's put technology and see, this looks good. This looks better. Let's set as background from this. This is already looking good. Replace background. Okay, fine. This looks good, and it's too much. Okay, anyways, we'll play around with this. and transparency. And you have here show layer option and show layer. Does it look good? Doesn't look good. Yeah, this one also. I'll reduce the transparency. Transparency is not going to work. Let's go to edit, adjust, and let's reduce the brightness, contrast also, highlights also, shadows. Yeah, that should be good. White reduce, black increase, vibrance. Yeah, let the vibration be high, saturation also be little high, sharpness, reduce the sharpness. Yeah, little high is better, clarity also a little better. Yeah, this looks good. Let's remove the background of this oracle also. Let's see what we are going to get. Yeah, this looks good, but I want to edit this picture, this oracle picture. Brightness, let's increase. No, too much. Contrast, light, shadows, whites, blacks, vibrance, saturation also a little high, sharpness, let's increase the sharpness. Yeah, this looks good. Let's go back and shadow, click on shadow. Let's give some shadow. I don't want this shadow. Let's take the shadow as white. Okay. No, size is too much. Intensity, let's increase the intensity. Or yeah, let's get rid of this oracle. Let's go to add elements. Let's do circle, and let me get this, and I get this, and the uploads. Where's the upload oracle? Let's place the oracle here. Wow, this looks better. Let's crop this. Then let's place it inside. This looks much better. Yes, oracle. Let's remove this oracle. This oracle is good. And then let's put some shadow here. Yeah, drop shadow. No. Shadow size. No, this doesn't look. Yeah. Let's do. Where is the layer? Layer. Show me layers, man. Show me layers. Yeah, layers. And show layers. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, what I'll do is, instead of doing this, let's go to again. Let's do ring. Okay, ring. This is a circular ring. This is too big. Let's take this. Let's cover it from outside in this. Let's change this color to red. Look good. Awesome. Yeah, and let's go to layers, show layers. Let's take the ring behind this. Looks good. Yeah, center line. And let's group this. Select and Control G will group this. So this is grouped. So this looks good. And let's do. When you do R, you will get a rectangle box, and in this rectangular box I can write something. I don't want this color, I want a white color, and I want text should be SQL interview questions. Okay, this, let's increase the size to 70. I know this doesn't look good, just hold on for some time. let's change the font to let's remove this and let's make this okay. This looks good. Let's line it and then corner it. Let's just keep this box like this, and then let's just add a text inside this text. Let me place this, change the color to red, then place this. Yeah, just hold on for some time, guys. Yeah, this is coming out good. I don't like this font. Gangley is a good one. I want some space here. Letter spacing is okay. Letter spacing, let's reduce. Okay, this looks good. Yes. Okay, don't worry. This is going to come up. And let's do text again. Do questions. This questions, let's change to Anglian, and I want some letter spaces. Good. This should be yellow. Yellow. This is the yellow and size to yes. This is good. Now let's go to layers and bring my picture above. Okay, let's bring the picture above me. Raise the size a little. Yes, this should be good. Oracle looks good here. Let's increase the size. SQL interview scenarios. Okay, this looks good. And let's go to FX and put some shadow. I want shadow to be white. Looks good. Yeah, blur this. Looks really good. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good. In this also, let's apply some shadow. Keep the shadow black, and let's increase the blurriness, transparency. Yes, looks good. It's popping out. That's good. Now let's take this picture, edit, and put some shadow to this. And since the background is red, let's put the shadow. Yeah, let's put the shadow red also itself. Yeah, let's put the shadow as white. So, okay, looks okay. Yeah, looks good. I feel this is good. Let's go to elements and just do red. I want what red? What do you call this as? Yes. This gonna be nice. And some more. Let's place it somewhere here. And one more here. And I want yellow. Yes. And let's place a shadow just below the oracle. Nice, looks good. Instead of red, if I get white, yes, this white, but I flip this. Yes, this should be good. Now let's go to layers and just place this layers. Obviously the picture is going to come on top, and this oracle is come on top. All this come on top. Let's stop. Yeah, so this light, where is this light? Where's this light? Let's place this light here, this white light. About this, no, yeah. Let's reduce this transparency. Yes. This box also is too big. It's yours. This doesn't look good here. And here and top looks somewhat okay. And this one, you can take it even more corner. Oracle can be brought here, let me get bigger. This one, let's get it right behind this. And yes, this thumbnail looks good, pretty good. Let's close everything. Yes, that's it. 2-3 text and just yes, 2-3 text and one photo, and at the end one logo. This looks really good. If you really like it, then please comment in the comment box saying that you liked it and you want to learn more. So I'll just play around with more of these and we'll solve more queries. We'll solve more, create more like these thumbnails and posters and videos also. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye guys.